Tinkering with Autodesk Tinkercad. Here's your quick guide on setting up your Tinkercad environment. So what is Tinkercad? Tinkercad is an online platform where you can design and simulate circuits. And aside from that, pwede kayong gumawa ng 3D design at iba pa. No? So bakit mahalagang matutunan si Tinkercad and ano ba yung benefit na makukuha natin dito instead of using the actual devices? So availability and price of hardware materials greatly affect implementing robotics in schools. No? Tulad niyan, may schools na hindi kaya or students na hindi kayang i-provide yung hardware needs. So instead na mag-share sila doon sa kit wherein alam naman natin kapag nag-sharing tayo ng school activities, hindi lahat nakakapag hands-on gaano. No, in using Tinkercad, at least individually, if we are teachers, yung students natin, they can experience the hands-on development. So aside from that, you can use Tinkercad in computers, tablets, and cell phones. So as long as you can access browsers and you can go to Tinkercad website, you can use it anytime, anywhere. So before we get started, ito yung kailangan na meron tayo. Computer, tablet, or phone na may internet connection, Gmail account, or Apple ID, or Autodesk account, or Facebook account. So kung meron kayo niyan, you can proceed na sa website ni Tinkercad. Okay? Okay, so here's the website of Tinkercad. No? So www.tinkercad.com. Yan. So, click natin yung sign in. So, more sign in options. Pili kayo kung anong account yung gagamitin nyo. For me, ang gagamitin ko is yung Google account. So once you are connected, let's go to circuits and create a new circuit. Okay. So ano ba itong mga nakikita natin dito? Dito sa upper left, merong something na name dito. This is your project name. You can change it by left click. Ayan. So I want to change this into my first project. Enter. Ayan. Okay na. And itong mga to, let's try to... So after changing your name, alamin natin kung ano ba yung mga tools na meron kay and parts of the Tinkercad platform. So we have the component container here. So pwede kayo mag-switch from basic component to all component, to some Arduino examples, and circuit assemblies, microbit. Okay, so ayan yung components natin. Dito lang natin siya kukunin sa side na to. Okay, so let's try to get a resistor. Ayan, ilagay natin siya dito. So we have here the work area. So dito tayo nagbi-build and design ng ating circuit. So eto, meron tayong rotate component. I-click ko lang siya para mag-rotate yung component sa desired orientation ko. We have the delete, to delete the selected component. So let's say I have multiple component here. Click ko lang yung gusto kong i-delete and press ko siya. Ayan. So if I want to undo my action, click ko lang to, si undo. And if I want to redo my action, i-click ko lang siya. And we have Annotate Function or Annotate button. And so we can write our notes here. So I want to write this is a 1k ohms resistor. And we can hide this annotation by pressing this. Ayan, hide and hide. Okay? So, kuha ulit tayo ng isang resistor. Dito, ito yung wire collar natin. So, let's try to connect two components. So, to zoom in, mouse wheel lang yung pang zoom in, zoom out. And kung naka-mobile phone or tablet kayo, ipipinch nyo lang yung side, no, para mag-zoom in, zoom out. Just like zooming kapag nag-take kayo ng videos or nanonood. Okay, so connect natin yung component. Ayan. Connected na yung dalawang resistor. If I want to change color, click ko lang yung wire. Nagko-connect sa kanya. Gawin ko siyang color orange. Then ito, pwede rin dito sa side na to. Same lang yan. Then we have the wire type. So, gusto ko itong gawing alligator. Ayan. Ganyan yung magiging connection niya. So, ito is just a connection, no? Visual lang yan. Walang effect yan dun sa actual sa simulation. Basta yung connection, yung wire type, any of this option, it will still work. Okay. Okay, so let's delete this mga nilagay natin. Delete. So, click ko lang yung delete sa keyboard. Yan. Yung sa components, no? Pwedeng naka-list view siya or itong mas detailed na view. So, nandito yung description ng bawat component. Kung ano ba yung purpose niya. Okay. Hanap tayo ng Arduino. So, type lang natin dito sa search, Arduino. Ayan. Zoom out lang ako. Let's open the code and coding area. So dito, meron tayong two types of coding. Pwedeng block code or text-based. So sa block coding, ayan, meron tayong input, output, math, control, and variables. Try muna natin i-run si code by clicking this start simulation. Okay, so nagbe-blink yung built-in LED. Ayan, dahil dito sa code natin. Okay, so let's try to switch dun sa text coding. Ayan, so ito po yung text code natin. Or dito tayo pwede mag-program using text code. Let's say I want to add delay. Ayan, pwede po dyan. And then dito sa baba, we have the serial monitor if we want to use it. So, set up lang ako ng serial monitor. Serial.begin 9600. Then, magpiprint lang ako ng hello world. So, dito po natin makikita yung output ng serial monitor natin. So we can hide it by clicking this and show it by clicking again the serial monitor. You can also clear this, and if meron tayong data na inaabangan, let's say gusto natin makita yung graph ng certain sensor, we can see it here dito sa graph view. Okay, so meron din isa pa ditong blocks plus text. So ano naman to? So dito sa blocks plus text, hindi natin pwedeng i-manipulate si text text code, no? So, nagpe-press ako ng enter ngayon, ayaw niya. Ang mangyayari lang dito, let's say mag-add ako ng another block of code, automatically ita-translate niya into text code. So, set natin dito sa baba. Ayan, nakita nyo? Yung set built-in led to high, na-translate na siya into text code. So, dito rin po, meron din tayong, if you have multiple Arduinos here, kuha tayo ng isa pang Arduino. Balik tayo sa code. Meron tayong indicator dito kung anong Arduino ba yung nilalagyan natin ng code. No, we have Arduino 1 and Arduino 2. So, pag prines ko to, dito natin makikita yung name niya. So, let's say AR2 and then this is AR1. Balik tayo sa code. Siya, AR1 tsaka si AR2. Okay po. And then aside from that, we can see the components list na ginamit natin sa circuit. Punta lang tayo dito sa components list. Ayan, makikita natin. So we have two pieces of Arduino Uno R3. And we have circuit view. Balik tayo sa circuit view. Ayan. Meron din tayong export function. So export natin tong circuit natin into .brd file. No? Meron din tayong share. So if we want to share our circuit, say I want to share it into other people, pwede nyo pong i-copy tong link na to and then i-send nyo sa kanila. So meron nakalagay dito kung ilang hours bago mag-expire yung link. Okay, so let's start deleting the two Arduino boards. So delete muna natin siya. Pag dinelete po natin siya, mawawala yung code, no? Pag nag-open tayo ng code, mag-output siya dito ng no programmable components in the circuit. So, ayan po. Create tayo ng basic circuit. Kuha tayo ng battery. Change natin yung orientation niya. And then, tatlong LED. Okay. So, bawat component po may unique property siya. So, sa battery, 9V battery name lang yung property na meron siya. Wherein dito sa LED, meron siyang additional property which is color. So we can change this into our desired color. So, create tayo ng tatlong LED with 3 different color. So red, blue, and green LED. Then mag-add tayo ng resistor. So sa resistor, meron din siyang different property. Meron siyang resistance value. We have, tas andito sa yung different value natin. We have 1 ohm, 1 kilo ohm. And so 1 kilo ohm is equivalent to 1,000 ohm. So, change natin to 1,000. Ayan. So same pa rin yung color niya. Okay. So i-connect natin yung components natin. Kuha tayong series. Gawin natin tong color orange. And itong positive na LED, connect natin dito sa positive ng supply natin or nitong battery. Gawin ko yung color niya is color red. Yung wire. Then si negative, i-connect natin kay resistor. Change ko yung color type niya to color black. Ayan. So, ayan po. Let's try to start the simulation of our circuit. So you have now your first circuit in Tinkercad.